Hello everyone and welcome back to Mr. Zohaib English channel. We are learning English easy and fun. So let's start our English topic.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to English on the Way. Today we are going to talk about a very important topic for English learners. Many students study English every day, but they still feel stuck. They say, I study a lot, but my English is not improving. If you also feel this way, then today's podcast is perfect for you.
Yes, Emma. This problem is very common for beginners and even intermediate learners. Sometimes people learn English for many years, but they still cannot speak confidently. The good news is that there are real reasons behind this problem. And today we will explain 10 important reasons and simple fixes.
Exactly. And don't worry, we will use easy English so everyone can understand. You can listen carefully, repeat after us, and improve your speaking and listening skills at the same time.
So grab your notebook, relax, and let's begin today's episode. Why your English isn't improving minus 10 real reasons and fixes.
The first reason is very common. Many learners only study grammar rules. They read grammar books every day, but they never practice speaking.
That is true. Grammar is important, but language is not only grammar. Imagine learning how to drive by only reading a driving book and never touching a car. It would be very difficult.
Exactly. English is a skill, and skills improve with practice. Some students know many grammar rules, but when someone asks a simple question in English, they become nervous and silent.
The fix is simple. Spend less time only reading grammar and more time using English. Speak with friends, repeat podcast sentences, and practice daily conversations.
Even speaking to yourself in English can help. You do not need perfect grammar to communicate. Confidence grows with practice.
The second reason is fear. Many learners are scared of making mistakes. They think people will laugh at them.
Yes, and because of this fear, they stop speaking. But mistakes are a normal part of learning. Even native speakers make mistakes sometimes.
When children learn their first language, they also make many mistakes. But they continue speaking every day, and slowly they improve.
The fix is to accept mistakes as part of the journey. Instead of feeling embarrassed, feel proud that you are trying something new.
Remember this sentence, practice makes progress, not perfection. Every mistake teaches you something important.
Another big reason is lack of listening practice. Many learners read English, but they rarely listen to real conversations.
Listening is extremely important because it trains your ears and brain. If you listen daily, you start understanding pronunciation, rhythm, and common expressions naturally.
Some learners become frustrated because native speakers talk fast, but the solution is not giving up. The solution is more listening practice.
Start with simple podcasts, cartoons, or beginner videos. Listen every day for at least 15 or 20 minutes.
And don't worry if you do not understand everything. Understanding little by little is completely normal.
The fourth reason is translating every word into your native language.
Yes, many students hear an English sentence and immediately try to translate it word by word. This makes speaking slow and stressful.
Fluent speakers do not translate every sentence in their minds. They think directly in English.
The fix is to connect English words with pictures, actions, and feelings instead of translations.
For example, when you hear the word apple, imagine a real apple in your mind instead of translating the word.
This small habit can make your speaking much faster over time. The fifth reason is forgetting old lessons. Some learners study new topics every day but never review previous vocabulary.
That's why they feel like they are learning and forgetting again and again.
Reviewing is very important for memory. If you learn 10 new words today and never use them again, your brain may forget them quickly.
The fix is simple. Review old words and sentences every week. Write them in a notebook and use them in daily conversations.
Repetition helps your brain remember information for a longer time.
The sixth reason is lack of speaking practice. Some learners only watch videos or read books, but they never open their mouths.
Speaking is like exercise for your English muscles. If you never practice speaking, your confidence will stay low.
Many people wait for the perfect time to start speaking English, but that perfect time never comes.
The fix is to speak a little every day. Even 5 minutes can help.
Talk about your day, describe your room, or explain what you are eating. Simple speaking practice is powerful.
The seventh reason is comparison. Many learners compare themselves with fluent speakers on YouTube or social media.
And then they feel sad or discouraged. But everyone learns at a different speed.
Some people study English for many years before becoming fluent. Success takes time.
Instead of comparing yourself with others, compare yourself with your past self.
If you can understand more English today than last month, that is real progress.
Another reason is boring study methods. If learning feels boring, people lose motivation very quickly.
Yes, some learners force themselves to read difficult textbooks for hours, and then they become tired and frustrated.
Learning should also be enjoyable. When you enjoy something, your brain learns faster.
The fix is to use fun materials like cartoons, songs, podcasts, games, and interesting stories.
Choose topics you love. If you enjoy football, cooking, history, or movies, learn English through those topics.
The ninth reason is unrealistic expectations. Some learners want fluency in 1 month.
But language learning is a long journey. It takes patience and consistency.
Imagine planting a tree. You water it every day, but it still needs time to grow.
English improvement is the same. Small daily practice creates big results over time.
The fix is to focus on consistency instead of speed.
Even 30 minutes every day is better than studying 5 hours only once a week.
The final reason is giving up too early. Many learners stop learning because they feel stuck.
Sometimes progress becomes slow and learners think they are failing. But actually, they are still improving little by little.
Every successful English speaker once struggled too.
The fix is to continue even when improvement feels slow. Trust the process and keep practicing.
Remember, small progress is still progress.
Today we discussed 10 real reasons why your English may not be improving.
Yes. Let's quickly remember them. Too much grammar, fear of mistakes, lack of listening, translating everything, no review, not speaking enough. Comparison, boring methods, expecting fast results, and giving up early.
And the good news is that every problem has a simple fix.
English is not about being perfect. It is about communication, confidence, and consistency.
If you practice a little every day, your English will slowly become stronger.
Thank you so much for listening to English on the Way. We hope this episode helps you feel more motivated and confident.
Keep learning, keep never self.
See you in the next episode.
Bye, Bergioni.